have my own backyard? Hey y'all, welcome back to another video, and y'all already know from the title, we just moved. I'm in our house. Y'all have no idea how much of a long time coming this process has been. I'll probably get into more detail in another video, maybe with like me and Rodney, just to like kind of give our takes on the whole situation. But y'all, we moved and I'm in a house. This is me and Rodney's first house together, and y'all, it is literally every single thing that I've wanted. It's perfect, it's completely updated, completely renovated, stainless steel appliances. Everything is what I want it to be, okay? I don't have to be quiet no more because we don't have neighbors above us and below us. I can yell because I'm in a house by myself. I know y'all hear the echo, but it's nothing in here at all. But I did want to give you guys an empty house tour because y'all always be watching those on YouTube, but I was like, let me do one when I get a house, and here's the day. First thing first, I want to say that I'm super grateful to God, first and foremost, because without him, none of this would be possible. So praise him, thank you, Lord. And I also want to thank you guys, because y'all don't know that this couldn't have been possible without y'all either. I don't even know the half of it. I'm gonna get into detail on another video, like I said, about like the intricacies of maybe like a life update or something like that. But thank y'all. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. I know we not like a super like viral, big family, but how many are there of y'all? Like almost 9,000 people subscribe to me. Y'all like me? It's crazy. And I'm just so grateful and so thankful to y'all that y'all are putting me in a place to even have my own home. I'm looking out the window right now into the backyard, and it's just like, I have my own backyard? Anyway, y'all, let's go ahead and hop into the tour, because I just got the keys and came straight here with a few things, because I was like, I wanted to put some groceries that I had into the refrigerator, because that little dumb stuff is so stupid to move. We're actually moving tomorrow, but I was like, I just want to get a few things put in here, and I also want to film this. So let's get into the tour, y'all. All right, y'all, so obviously I cannot show you like super intricate parts of my house because I don't want y'all to know where I live, and because it's crazy people out there. I want y'all to know where I'm living because y'all are my family. Y'all are like, we're a family over here. We're not crazy. But there's people who are watching me who are not subscribing, who are actually loco, and I don't want them to know where I live. So you can come over, sis, but not that person. But yeah, y'all, we're in our living room right now. This is, as you can see, everything is updated. We have hardwood floors. I mean, I think it's like, it's not actual hardwood floors, it's like, what do you call it? But the word escapes me right now, but I know exactly what it's called. Linoleum flooring? I don't know, but it looks like hardwood, right? Super easy to clean. This is probably a lot easier to clean than actual hardwoods. The whole house is painted this way with the taupey gray walls, and these floors are all throughout the house except the basement. We do have a little bit of carpet, and then we have like the white beige floors in the whole house as well. There's recessed lighting. I'm super excited. And y'all, this house isn't like the biggest house. Like, it's actually probably, it's a little bit bigger than our apartment was. But y'all, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a full kitchen, obviously, a full living room, a basement that is finished, and then we have like areas in the basement that are not finished that can be used for storage. Like, this house is literally more than enough room for me and Rodney, and we're so grateful for it. Y'all don't understand. But yeah, this is the living room. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna end up putting like the couch along this wall. We're gonna get a new couch. I gotta figure out the vibe I want though, because we're doing a whole new vibe. Before we was doing, I did like blacks and whites and super modern, but y'all, I'm going for super cozy. I want to do like an organic modern theme. So like very like earth tones, neutral tones, a little bit of greenery here and there, a little bit of stone textures here and there. You know that? So I'm thinking the couch along this wall, maybe like an accent chair over here, maybe like 2 accent chairs. That might be nice. 2 accent chairs right here, couch right here, a little round. I think I want to do a round table. And then the TV's gonna go on this wall. There's a wall right in front of me. And you guys are standing where the front door is. So right in front of the front door, this is what you're gonna see. So now I just turned the camera. You were facing that way where the couch and stuff's gonna go. And this is how like the entrance to our kitchen and hallway looks. So as you can see, walk right through here, and our kitchen is over here to the, this will be your, I don't know, it's my left, the left side. And then the hallway to the bedrooms and the bathrooms are this way. Okay, y'all, so now we're in the kitchen. I hope the lighting's not too off just because I know like with the windows and everything, it's gonna be having a lot of flashback, but I didn't bring any of my lights, so sorry about it. But y'all, this is the kitchen. As you can see, you guys are standing right by the back door. We have all the appliances, everything is stainless steel. We have a 5-burner oven, gas oven, which I love. A refrigerator. Girl, this ain't no refrigerator. Girl, this is the microwave. A microwave, again, stainless steel, brand new. Dishwasher, because you know we need that, because I'm not washing the dishes, and Rodney hate washing dishes too, so right in there. And then, you guys, I love this deep sink. It's like a barn, I think they're called barn sinks. And it's super deep, and I love the faucet on it. All of the knobs on the cabinets are black, and yeah, I actually love, because you guys know, like in our last apartment, it was nice, but it was very dated. It wasn't like modern, if you will. So I feel like this type of kitchen look will go very well with what I have in store for my design, you know? This rug was here like already. They just cut a piece of carpet and just put it there. And yeah, the counters are like this very nice granite countertop. I absolutely love. And there's a beautiful big window right here that looks out into the backyard, which is another thing that I am obsessed with, because we're gonna probably put like the table. There's a lot of space right in front of me. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we're probably gonna put like a table right here. And I'm kind of trying to figure out if I want to do a square rectangle table or if I want to do a round table. Y'all, I'm so excited. I know I'm talking a lot, but I'm excited. Okay, so clearly now y'all are facing the hallway, and this is the hallway to all the bathrooms and our bedrooms and stuff. Like I said, we have 3 bedrooms, two bathrooms. It's 1.5 because only one has a shower, but it's 2 bathrooms. You feel me? You can pee and poo-poo. Sorry, I was just with my niece. You can pee and poo-poo in both of the bathrooms, okay? And then also there's a closet right here. I'm not gonna show you guys like the closets and stuff because it's a closet, but just thought I'd mention. All right, y'all, we had to shut the blinds because I don't want y'all seeing my view or whatever. But this is bedroom number 1. It's the smallest out of the 3 bedrooms. This is probably gonna be Rodney's office. I wish you guys could see, because it's really not like that small. There's definitely enough room in here for like a small couch, a desk, dressers, like whatever he wants to end up putting in here. But I have my camera right behind the door, like, so it can't really get pushed back anymore. But yeah, you guys, this is a fairly decent sized room. Like I said, Rodney's office. I'm gonna design it though, because I'm not letting him make this room look crazy. I want our house to still look nice. So yeah, now we're going to my office. All right, you guys, so now this is my office. I think the window might be a little bit bigger. The room is bigger than the previous one, and also the closet's bigger. And Rodney's office is like a half closet, and this one is like a full-size closet. It's not a walk-in, which I'm kind of upset about. There's no walk-in closets in this house at all, which I'm upset just because I had a walk-in closet in our apartment. So you guys, I'm sorry this lighting is horrible, but I had to shut the blinds because y'all can't be all up in my business. Not you, sis. Like I said, that dude right there, I don't want him in my business. So yeah, I was just kind of trying to figure out like how I wanted my office to look, and like what vibes I'm going for. Cause we gotta do a whole new office look, because you guys, I want this office to hit, okay? I want there to be an area for like if I do try-on hauls or fashion videos that we can be all cute and look cute in, but then I also need the area for like when I film my beauty videos. But then I also need the area just to like kind of get work done and, you know, stuff like that. So gotta figure it out. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so this is the bathroom. I absolutely love this bathroom as well because it kind of has like the same finishes as the kitchen. So the black knobs, the white cabinets, the same granite countertops. I think that's so pretty. The black hardware for the faucet. And then this mirror is pretty small, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I would have loved a full wall mirror. I think I do kind of want to put like a black trim around these mirrors because I think that'll give the bathroom a very elegant look. And I'm gonna try to like do that in a way that's like super like cheap for one, and super like non-damaging. Like, obviously it's not gonna damage anything, but like I'm thinking I'm gonna use some command strips and just buy like a black picture frame that's this size, or get some pieces of like wood trim, spray painted black, and then put the command strips on the back and just press it down on the outsides of the mirror to where it kind of looks like it's the mirror that has the frame, but it's actually not even on the mirror at all. Do you get what I'm saying? I think that'd be a cute look. I don't know why I just went on a tangent on that, but yeah, I just think that would be a vibe. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just so grateful and so thankful. Y'all have no idea. Alright, y'all, in the last bedroom, again, I don't think y'all can really tell how big this room is based on the camera and how far and the angle and all that type of stuff. But this is our bedroom. So I'm guessing our bed will probably just go right here. And Ronnie doesn't want a TV in here, so we cannot put a TV in the bedroom. But I never had a TV in my bedroom growing up. So like when I became an adult and I could put it in my bedroom, I'm gonna have it in my bedroom. But he don't like it. He likes to go to sleep in here, which I can't blame him for, but yeah. So this is our bedroom. And I don't care if y'all see outside in the backyard just because it's fences and trees. Y'all really can't find me like that. And yeah, we do have a bathroom connected to our bedroom. It's right here. I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. But it doesn't have a shower in this bathroom, which is fine because I feel like if I'm like sleeping still and Rodney wakes up super early to take a shower, I don't want to hear him taking a shower anyway. So I kind of like that the shower is in the hallway bathroom because that allows for if we have guests over or if we don't want to like wake each other up or like just get on each other's nerves by making so much noise in the bathroom in the morning. You know what I mean? We don't have to really be in the same room. All right, y'all, and last but not least, upstairs, this is our bathroom that's connected to our master bedroom and has the same hardware, the same faucet, mirror. I think I'm gonna do the same thing to this mirror with the black frame that I was just talking about because it is kind of small and I just wanna add something to it so it looks like it's supposed to be that way, do you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I can't wait to decorate these bathrooms. We're gonna have like our little garbage and mats and all that stuff in here. I'm gonna really decorate it up. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys do want to see like me decorating all these rooms and all that type of stuff because y'all know I love me a good DIY, I love me some good decor. So I would definitely do that for y'all, but it's definitely only if you want it. If y'all don't really care about that stuff, then it's okay. Just let me know in the comments. If you'd rather not, I'll keep the beauty and fashion videos and all that type of stuff coming, vlogs, but. And yeah, you guys, so we're walking through the house right now. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. This is my home, y'all. This is my home. All right, y'all, and like I said, we do have a finished portion of our basement. I'm in the basement right now. It's kind of quiet down here, and I find basements creepy. So I'm kind of scared, and I'm here by myself. I never really like basements, and especially when they're unfinished. It's just like, I don't know. It's scary, so I want to hurry up and get this part out of the way. Let's go for the back downstairs. But yeah, y'all, so we're gonna turn like this basement area into a just an entertainment area. This I would say is probably the least modernized part because I can tell that they kept a lot of the like walls and ceiling tiles and everything that was already in this house previously. They really didn't do much on that. I think they just like painted over and stuff, which is fine because it's a basement at the end of the day. Like it's not like we're gonna be living down here. But yeah, I love that this part is finished because I think we're probably gonna put like TV on this side. Our sectional, our old sectional will be down here. And then, yeah, we'll have like a little area for my niece to come play and yeah. But y'all, this is really gonna be the creepy part I don't like. I'm gonna be having to do laundry down here. I'm scared. I'm scared. And then this is the other door over here. I do want to kind of do something with these doors. If I can like paint them or like put some contact paper over them. I don't know. These doors look crusty. These are original doors. I'm gonna tell you that. But then, like I said, this is the other part of the house where it's like all unfinished. And this is probably where I see a spider. This is probably where I'm probably going to never be. This is probably where I'm never gonna be. So I want to go back in this area. I like these little Western doors. They kind of scary. Yeah, that door is off something off a scary movie. Is it not? But yeah, you guys, so that is our empty house tour. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, like I said, if you want to see me decorating my house, if you would like a moving vlog series on my channel, because I'm kind of thinking about it where that would just be all house related stuff, furniture shopping, decor, cleaning, organizing, all that type of stuff. Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Say hey, baby.
What up, jazminekiah YouTube? Welcome to my crib.
You look good, babe.
To the, this is where we throw down. I know, on the crib, you always gotta look at the refrigerator. So what we got up in here? We got some unsalted butter, some, look at this.